Are you starting to look like this? I can't imagine anyone wanting to live with one of these. Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, Doctor of Physical Therapy at Rehab and Revive. Find out how to get rid of this for good. So, why does this happen? One day you just woke up with it? Heck no. The easy explanation is long-term poor posture and habits. The habits we have or do over a sustained period of time dictate our destiny, which is that forward head and shoulders. If we stay in this kind of position long enough, eventually the body morphs and accommodates to this new posture and bows right here. So why does this exercise work that I'm about to show you? Think of it, the upper spine should be like an accordion or slinky. So that's the analogy I want you to think about as we perform and demonstrate this exercise. So let's get to it. All right, we're back. You need a few apparatuses, and if you don't have these, that's okay. You could use a desk. You can just use the floor, or you could even be on your hands and knees. It's just the action of really trying to get into upper cervical thoracic extension. And so that's basically upper thoracic extension, not upper cervical, but upper thoracic and lower cervical extension. A ball is great if you have that handy, easy to use. Foam rolls, I almost believe everyone's got one by now, I think, on the face of this planet. So that works. Also, yoga blocks are great too. So really get you a little deeper. So I'll show you all these variations and progressions next. But the goal really a lot of times is to get right into this extension. You want to be able to get it to kind of like a slinky to bow this way. So you could do it with your arms out first. Eventually, you're going to get tougher and you're going to hook your elbows back and almost roll your elbows forward. So I'm basically just going in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And you, like I said, if you don't have the flexibility, just do this. That works too. Just kind of slowly improve that. A lot of you with that dowager's hump, you lack extension here. So there you go. But I like protecting my neck a little bit, and so it's going to go right here. And you can do this quite a bit. You can go to the side if you want. And then if you feel pretty good about that, like I said, and if this is already too tough, you can just sit down and use a desk as a prop and kind of do the same thing. Just kind of work it in, work it out, work it in, work it out. We also have another video where you can be on your back called the Thoracic Extension Mobilization. So that's another way you can check that out. The next one, you can just have a foam roll. So you're basically moving towards the ground is better. So you can just kind of use that. Once again, you're rolling it here. And if that's tough, you just start here. Just kind of roll it. You can feel the stretching here. It's almost like a lat stretch as well. But the goal is really just to kind of get here, and I can kind of hang out and just use that rolling, rocking motion. I'm feeling lots of pressure here. Take deep breaths. Do this several times. And then if you really want more progression and you have the flexibility, yoga blocks really come in handy. You can do it, kind of like the top way or flat, but let's just kind of do it this way. You won't roll as much, so you'll just do more like butt rocking here. And I can get kind of deep. I get deeper into here if you have the range. If you don't have the range, don't force it. You'll hurt your shoulders. So right here, right here. You can even lightly nod. Yes, that also works at the very bottom here. Take deep breaths, like I said. Different variations to try to get that stretch. It almost comes intuitively because you want to be more upright. You want to help your lungs expand, the upper chest get a little bit straighter, get your posture straighter. It's just something about feeling more your well-being when you're more upright. So you can do it that way. If your arms don't have that flexibility, like I said, your goal is kind of move towards the ground. So if you want to flip it this way, I'm getting lower, right? I'm getting a lot lower. right here. And then, you know, I can interlace my fingers, keep going there. But like I said, the ultimate goal is to eventually move towards the floor. And there, rock, deep breath, nod. You know, you'll feel this pressure. And there is basically your exercise. Let us know your thoughts on our video. Leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.